Kasi yung focus siya.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie. Nandito po tayo sa DJI Concept Store sa SM North EDSA. So, as usual, gagawa tayo ng updated prices ng kanilang mga drones. And if may time pa, and other accessories nila. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out the updated prices ng mga DJI drones dito sa SM North EDSA. Okay guys, let's start the price update. Tignan natin tong DJI Neo, no? So ang price niya po ay ang SRP niya ay pag Neo lang na with one battery at saka propeller guard 7,590. Pag yung Fly More combo may 3 batteries na extra plus remote control na with two-way charging hub. Ang SRP niya is 13,290. Ang DJ Neo combo lang na may extra battery siya, no, na 3. Tapos two-way charging, ang SRP lang niya is 10,390. Tapos DJI Neo Motion Fly combo na may goggles tsaka motion controller with 3 batteries na two-way charging hub. Ang SRP niya is 19,990. No? So, ano yung mga basic features niya? It's light and portable, 135 grams. Meron siyang palm take-off and landing, AI subject tracking, quick shots, multiple control options, 4K ultra stabilization video, full coverage propeller guides. Yan. Ayan po yung DJI Neo. So, ito po yun. Yan po yung DJI Neo. Tapos check naman natin yung DJI Neo 2. So yung DJI Neo 2 naman, yung drone only na with one battery is 12,390 ang kanyang SRP. Tapos susunod naman with the extra batteries, no, 3, 16,490. Tapos ang susunod naman na price with the digital transceiver, no, at saka RC entry na remote control. Ang SRP niya po is 20,590. Yung goggles naman niya dito sa 30,490 na version, yung Fly More combo. Meron namang goggles na entry, RC Motion 3, tsaka digital receiver. Of course, syempre may two-way charging hub siya, katulad ng Fly More combo dito sa taas na 20,590. Okay. So, ayun. So, ito yung yung DJI Neo 2. Yan. Yan. Para sa ito po yung RC Motion 3. Kaysa interested kayo, ito po yon. Pag binili niyo yung mas high-end na prices ng DJI Neo at saka Neo 3 na Neo 2. Kasi ito naman yung goggles entry. Yan. Is interested kayo. Yan po itsura. Yan. Ito para sa headrest sa likod. Yan, ito po itsura. Yan. Mas may antena. Yan. Para sa iba naman, meron remote control, no? No, RC entry. No? Ito yung I think ito yung RC entry. Check natin yung likod. Yeah, ito yung RCN1C pala. Pero yung iba naman, RCN3. No, ito, you could just put your mobile phone in tandem with the remote control. Yan. So, yan yung sa DJI Neo series, na Neo at saka Neo 2. Okay, ang next naman natin, DJI Flip, na. So, ayan po yung DJI Flip. Meron din siyang remote control na option. And let's check out yung SRP niya. So, yung DJI Flip with one battery and one propeller, ang SRP niya is 18,290. Ang next naman, ang pinaka more affordable niya pala is 16,490, drone only, na wala siyang remote control. I guess pwede mo siyang control sa mobile phone mo. So it has 2 battery at saka a pair of propellers. Tapos ang susunod naman natin again yung 18,290 meron naman siyang DJI RCN3. Okay, yung susunod naman na medyo pricey is 26,290. Meron siyang remote control, battery. Okay. Yung 32,690 naman, yung Fly More combo. Okay, inclusive siya ng DJI RC2. 3 batteries, 3 pairs ng propellers, yung shoulder bag at saka charging hub. Yan. So yan po yung yung SRP ng DJI Flip. So ito po yung mga basic specs niya. Foldable full coverage propeller guard. It's 249 grams. AI subject tracking, capture your best angle. CMOS sensor. 4K, 60 frames per second at saka 31 minutes max flight time. Importante yan sa mga nagbi-video, 31 minutes max flight time. So check natin yung unit. Ito po yung unit. Ito po yung ilalim ng unit. Ito yung taas ng unit. Tapos ayan po yung remote control. Yan po yung remote control. Okay guys, check naman natin yung DJI Avata 360 at saka Avata 2, no? So unahin natin muna yung Avata 2, no? So ito po yung SRP niya. Meron siyang yung Avata 2 Fly Smart combo single battery, ang SRP niya po is 27,790. Ang DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart combo naman with 3 batteries, it comes with DJI goggles din tulad ng naunang price. Ang SRP niya po is 34,390, no? Kasama din dito yung DJI RC Motion 3, no? Ang pinaka high-end price niya is 47,290. Yeah. Aside from the drone, it comes with goggles 3, DJI RC Motion 3, 3 batteries, 2-way charging hub, and a sling bag. Yeah. So, yan po yung mga prices nila. Tapos pag gusto niyo separate na controller, no, sa future pa kayo makakabili, meron din available na controller 3. Ang SRP niya po is 8,990. Yan. So ayan po yung mga SRPs ng DJI Avata 2. So ito po yung mga basic specs niya. May easy acro, immersive flight experience, intuitive motion control, tight shots in super wide 4K, built-in propeller guard at saka hassle-free POV, point of view content. Yan po yung DJI Avata 2 FPV drone. Yan. At check naman natin yung 360. So ito naman yung DJI Avata 360. It's a 8K flagship 360-degree drone. Ang basic specs niya po ay 1-inch flagship imaging, 8K 60 frames per second, HDR video, meron O4 plus full HD video transmission, integrated propeller guard, omnidirectional obstacle sensing for dynamic tracking shots, infinite creative from one take, spotlight free for instant shareable footage, FPV flight and aerial filming in one drone, 360 and single lens flexible dual modes. Okay, so ito po yung SRP niya, no? So yung DJI Avata 360 DJI RC2 is SRP niya 38,290. Yung susunod naman na price 360 Fly More combo, no? Meron siyang 3 extra battery, again in RC2, charging hub at saka shoulder bag, 47,890 SRP. Yun. Tapos meron din yung Motion Fly More combo, halos pareho din. Pero this one, instead na may RC2, ang kapalit yung goggles N3. So ang price niya is the same. Okay. Nag-swap lang yung RC2 at saka yung goggles N3. Okay guys, continue natin yung price check, no? This time naman, check natin yung DJI 5 Mini 5 Pro. So, meron siyang SRP na 460. 54,000 para sa unit lang with the RCN3 and 1 battery. Tapos ang susunod naman natin na price is Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. May extrang tatlong baterya with remote control, charging hub, and ND filter set. Wow, okay, no? 50,690 lang. Now, ang susunod naman natin, Fly More Combo, 57,990. May RC2, battery na tatlo, charging hub, and ND filter. And kanilang high-end na price is 61,390. Aside from the aircraft, you have RC2, battery plus 3 pieces, charging hub, and ND filter. No? So, bakit siya mas mahal? Okay. Hindi ko alam. But anyway, yan po yung DJI Mini 5 Pro. So ito po yung basic specs niya. May 1-inch large CMOS camera, nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing through vertical shooting, and 225 flexible gimbal, upgraded active track 360, lightweight and portable, extended battery life with the remote control. So ayan po yung DJI Mini 5 Pro. Yan. Ito po yung itsura. I think may footage po ako ng lumilipad, so sisingin natin dito sa video yun. So yan po yung DJI Mini 5 Pro.
Ay, wala pa lang people pala sa kapatid. Kasi kung type sila kasi kasi ikaw dumindaw, todo ako.
Okay, by this time, nasa gitna na kayo ng video. You're in the middle of the video. And just want to say thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe dito, nasa baba yung button. And for those yung nasa Middle East, thank you very much for watching and leaving comments. And people from India, okay, thank you very much for watching. You're the second largest population na nanonood sa akin dito sa YouTube, sa Upstream Charting. So, thank you very much for watching also. So, what you were waiting for, let's continue on watching the price update of the DJI drones here at SM North EDSA. Okay, meron naman tayo dito DJI Lito X1 at saka Lito 1 only, no? So ito po yung X1 and Lito 1. At ayan po yung controller nila. So let's check in yung prices. So let's start with the Lito 1, okay? So ito po yung Lito 1. Hope nakikita niyo po. So ang niya, may omnidirectional obstacle sensing, fearless flight, active track, easily unlock cinematic shots, 4K video, 8K image. It only weighs 249 grams. No? Yung DJI Lito 1 is 17,390. Tapos yung DJI 1 Fly More Combo is 24,390. No? Dito naman sa DJI Lito X1, ganun din, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, may active tracking, pero meron siyang 1 and 1.3 inch sensor, breathtaking pro level imaging, at ang kanyang weight is 249 grams, under 249 grams, so lightweight po siya. Pag yung dito X1 lang, 21,690 ang SRP niya. Ang susunod niyang price yung Fly More, with the DJI RCN3, 29,590. Tapos sumunod naman yung DJI X1 Fly More Combo with the DJI RC2, 34,790. Tapos DJI Lito X1 Fly More Combo na 39,090 pesos. So yan po yung price list ng DJI Lito X1 at saka ng DJI Lito. Ayan. I-zoom nyo na lang sa video.
Dito kaya na, ibang sa iyo eh. Okay, so, rotation. Okay, everything. Next one, traction, bottom view. Okay, mabalik. Ngayon, bigla yun.
Okay, let's check out naman to DJI Air 3S, no? So, meron siyang 1 inch na CMOS dual camera, 4K 60 frames per second, HDR video, 14 steps of dynamic range, free panorama, tapos nightscape, omnidirectional, next-gen smart RTH with enhanced precision, 45 minutes flight time, 20 kilometer video transmission. Now, let's check out yung mga SRPs niya. So, kung DJI Air 3S with RCN3, ito yung pinaka-entry level niya, 52,190. So, meron siyang remote controller. And then, DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with RCN3. Next price is 65,290. So, may charging hub, 3 batteries, shoulder bag, and defilter. Dito naman sa Fly More Combo RC2 na much pricier is 74,290. 3 batteries, battery charging hub, shoulder bag, and defilter, at saka RC2. So I guess mas larger capacity yung battery. Kaya mas matagal siyang lilipat. So I guess aabot siya na ng per battery aabot na siya ng 45 minute flight time. And can reach 20 kilometers to transmission. So ito po yung DJI Air 3S. Again, ito po yung RCN3 na sa harap natin. Nakita na natin yun sa ibang drone. Ito naman yung itsura ng Air 3S. Okay, ang next naman natin, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. So, let's check out yung SRP niya. So, ito I think yung pinaka-high-end niya dito na available sa SM North EDSA sa concept store ng DJI. Ang SRP niya po, yung entry level niya is 114,790. Ang susunod, 140,890 yung Fly More combo. And another creator combo naman is 181,290. No? Lahat sila, it comes with the RC2, no? Except for yung mga combo, may extra battery, no? Magiging 3 na yung battery mo. Ayun. Doon sa, sa 140K, 100 watts power adapter siya with charging hub. Yun, mas mahal naman, 181K, 240 watt power adapter naman siya. So, with charging hub. So, yan po yung Mavic 4. No? Yung mga basic specs niya po, may 100 MP na CMOS camera. Tapos Hasselblad na camera, FYI, Hasselblad. Kaya medyo pricey siya. Tapos 1 in 1/3 and 1/5 na large CMOS dual telecameras. Infinity gimbal 360 and 0.1 lux na nightscape, no? So pag meron kayong low light situation, kayang-kaya niya po yan, yung 0.1 lux na nightscape. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing na camera. Tapos and with sensors na rin. So 51 minutes po ang flight time niya. Tapos may 10-bit HDR video transmission. Tapos collapsible po yung remote control niya with 7-inch rotatable high-bright display. So yan po yung Mavic 4. Ayan po yung mga SRPs niya. Check na lang ulit. And let's check out the unit, no? So yan po yung Mavic 4 pag naka-spread siya, no? Naka-unfold. Pag naka-fold po, ganito po yung tsura. Yan. Take note, Hasselblad po yun, yung camera niya. That's why it's a bit pricey. But quality naman po yung magiging output niya. Yes, of course, gimbal na yung harap niya. Ayan. Gimbal type. Ayan. Para kang may PTZ camera. Ayan. Tapos ito po yung niya, remote niya, yung RC2 with with LCD screen. Ayan. Tapos ito naman yung unit kapag nakabuka na. So ayan, Hasselblad po yan na cameras. Ayan. Tapos ito pa. Ayan. Yung taas niya. Yung gilid niya. Tapos ito na may itsura ng likod niya. Yan. So yan po yung DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Yan. So basically that ends our show for today, and thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video.